Okay, so yeah, bar number. Separate out the longer bars from the shorter ones. These are the shorter ones. Those are the longer ones. Take those pieces
with the grooves
at
the end,
and use the shorter bars as the ladder steps.
I don't know that.
These are the number one kind of screws. They are flat on the top. These are the number two kinds. They are pointed at the top. These are the number three kind. They are flat and hollow. This is the number four. It's the small one, the smallest. This is five. And the sixth piece is the Allen wrench, which you will use to secure the screws, the ladder rungs with the sides of the Pikler triangle. The camphor will be towards the inside.
Pales in comparison to the riches devoted to turning space into an orgy of death.
The distance between these two should be checked. This one should be the smaller one. The one on the bottom should be the larger gap. Smaller gap, larger gap.